get one thing straight before we jump in. You guys know I'm all about hustle and working smart, not handout. In fact, this channel is dedicated to learning how to make money on your terms. But let's be real, life throws curveballs. Sometimes you're dealt a tough hand, and a little support can be a game changer. I get it. So today, I've got a solution for those tough times. Imagine this, a world where kindness and support come together to change lives. That's exactly what I'm about to uncover. I'm going to show you 15 websites where generosity knows no bounds. We're talking free money, no catches. From medical bills to student loans, these platforms cover it all. Rent, groceries, even fueling your wildest business dreams.
Wait, what? Is that even possible?
Yes, it is. And I guarantee you haven't heard of these platforms. At least not all of them. Ever heard of begging money? Yes, literally beggingmoney.com. It's like the traditional way of begging for money, except you are maintaining your dignity. Check this out.
I am a single parent who has to support 3 children. This has been going on for almost 10 years. I even left my children to work abroad. Since the COVID virus hit the economy very hard, I did not work during the COVID period and used all my savings for living expenses for me, my children, and my mother. Thank you so much for your time to read my story.
From Save My Family from Eviction to heartfelt stories like Help My Family with Autistic Children, it's a hub where real people ask for and receive genuine support. Just hop on over to beggingmoney.com, create your page, and honestly explain your situation. It's a direct line to the kindness of strangers ready to change lives. The next platform offering financial support from generous individuals is Indiegogo. This widely used crowdfunding site empowers entrepreneurs to breathe life into their visions. It accommodates a diverse array of ventures, ranging from cutting-edge technology to inventive products awaiting their chance to hit the market. The next platform on our list is Fundly. Fundly is where people rally together to help out in tough times or support causes that matter. Whether it's aiding in disasters, honoring memories, backing clubs, or uplifting communities, it's a place where caring hearts make a difference. Signing up is easy. Just share your story, be clear about what you need, and set your fundraising goal. People who visit the site might see it, but spreading the word to your friends and family can really boost your chances of getting the help you need. Join in, share your cause, and let the kindness flow. Another website is justgiving.com, a global online social platform focused on giving. It ranges from fundraising for charities to supporting personal causes. On their website, people are asking for different kinds of help, from climbing Mount Kilimanjaro for cancer research to raising money for your own personal cause. Whatever the case, Just Giving is an amazing crowdfunding platform that can help you get access to funding. If you're an artist, musician, writer, or content creator looking to monetize your passion, this website is the way to go. Signing up is super easy as well. Just go to their website, create a profile with what you've got to offer, and make sure to provide value to your audience. Set up different membership levels with perks for each, and boom, you're on your way to building a crew of patrons who love what you do. The cool thing about this website is that it gives you a direct line of access to your fan community with no ads or algorithms in the way. It's like crafting your own special club. The next one is Go Get Funding. It's your space to make things happen. Whether it's a personal project, an event, or a cause close to your heart, this platform has your back. Check out the diverse campaigns, from medical support to funding adventures for travel or volunteering in different countries. Go Get Funding has an array of fundraising campaigns, and here, it's not just about the money. It's about generous people joining forces to support your dreams. The coolest thing about this website is that it is available globally, and you can receive money in about any currency out there. To get started, simply create a fundraising page, share your story, set a financial goal, and promote it within your network and beyond. Fundable is the next website on our list. On Fundable, entrepreneurs and businesses can gather funds from investors and customers. Whether you're starting small or aiming big, this crowdfunding platform is your ticket to make things happen. It's not just about big wallets. It's about getting support from folks who believe in your ideas. It's like a virtual stage where your business dreams take center stage. The next one I guarantee you will find quite fascinating. Have you wanted to travel the world but finances hinder this dream? Now, imagine this. Your dream travel destination, funded by kind, rich people. I'm serious. Think of any country. Fund My Travel is an online platform that allows you to create campaigns and gather funds for your travels, be it for fun, work, education, or volunteering. It's simple to start your fundraising page. Tell people your story and get them excited about your trip. As you can see, many people have already found success here, turning their travel dreams into reality. Fund My Travel can help you cover all the travel costs you would potentially incur. And the cool thing about this platform is donations are automatically sent to your account. No need to wait until you hit your full goal. If you've gotten any value so far from this video, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. The next platform is Kickstarter.com. Unless you live in a cave or something, then you've surely heard about Kickstarter. It is a big name in crowdfunding, especially for creative ventures. It's specially for all kinds of cool ideas, from films and games to music, art, and tech, and it exists to help bring creative projects to life. Imagine you've got this awesome idea. You can hop on here and ask people to help you make it happen. And get this, those who believe in your project can pitch in and get cool stuff or unique experiences in return. It's like turning your idea into a team effort where everyone wins. Loads of entrepreneurs and creators have kickstarted their dreams here, and you could be next. If you want to find a platform where the probability is going to increase for you getting funding, your best bet may be Kickstarter.com. To get started, you create a project page, provide all the details related to your project, set a goal as it pertains to how much you want to raise for funding, and offer something enticing as a reward to attract potential backers or investors. Crowdfunder is like the meeting point for entrepreneurs and investors worldwide. If you've got a business idea or need to boost an existing one, this platform is your go-to. It's pretty easy to get started, and guess what? There are people here seeking support for everything from children's books to launching food businesses. It's amazing. Who knew there are people out there eager to invest in your vision if you've got a solid plan? It's all about showcasing your business and finding those who believe in what you're building. Dive in, let your ideas shine. The next one is Ulule. Ulule is your go-to if you're a creator or an entrepreneur with a brilliant idea. This platform supports projects ranging from tech to food and everything in between. You can choose a category, for example tech, and then launch your project. This platform empowers creators from all over the world and is a great opportunity to make your idea a reality. Seed and Spark is like the golden ticket for filmmakers dreaming big. It provides filmmakers with the resources and support they need to bring their story to the screen, big or small. Here, creators find the backing they need for every step, from production to getting their story out there. As you can see here, a lot of creators have had success with this platform. Success rate is at a whooping 82%, and about $56 million has been raised on the platform. Starting up is super easy. Just set up your campaign, share your film vision to get your potential backers excited about the project, set your funding goal, and that's it. It's your opportunity to get your story on screen. Circle Up provides flexible funding solutions to help grow your business. It provides a platform for up-and-coming consumer product companies to link with accredited investors interested in backing your vision. To begin, visit the page, establish a profile, narrate your brand's journey, outline your growth strategies, and engage with investors keen on fueling your business expansion through their investments. Next is Rocket Hub. This website offers a versatile platform catering to entrepreneurs, artists, and innovators seeking funding across various ventures. Whether you're pursuing an artistic project, a tech endeavor, or a community initiative, this website is perfect for showcasing your project. Simply create a campaign page on RocketHub.com to share your endeavor. The next one is very popular, GoFundMe.com. Whether you want funding for a celebration, a graduation, accidents, illnesses, anything at all, this website has been used by millions of people to raise funding in times of difficulties. Remember the example I shared with BeggingMoney.com at the beginning of the video? GoFundMe is pretty similar, I'd say. Quick note, guys. It's important that you approach these platforms with all sincerity, honesty, and a genuine need. There are no guarantees, but authenticity speaks volumes. If your pitch resonates or your need is genuine, honest, and well-articulated, someone might just step in to make a difference. Best of luck on your crowdfunding journey. Stay hopeful and keep striving toward your goals. See you in the next video.